Hi everyone! Welcome back to one of my jewelry classes. For this project, I was inspired by a range of influences, from fashion to architecture. Today we will create a bracelet emphasizing negative space. Negative space is the emptiness between the intersections of different elements. Let's open up Autodesk Fusion 360 to get started. Step 1. Creation of the base layer. Let's start a new sketch in the top plane. Using the circle tool, draw a circle with a 60 mm diameter. This diameter will be a great size for your wrist. You can add or subtract a few millimeters depending on your size. Draw a second circle with a diameter of 100 mm, also at the origin. Now you can start to notice our negative spaces forming, defined by the circles we've created. Select this last space using the Extrude tool in the Create section of the top menu. Make your extrusion symmetric at 0.75 mm so that the total disc will be 1.5 mm thick. Step 2. Creation of the vertical elements. Again, select the Circle tool, starting a new sketch on the front plane. Make sure to place the center of the circle on the horizontal red axis, making it 20 mm in diameter, tangent with the edge of the base model. By dragging the circle, you can change its diameter. When you grab the center instead, you can change its position. Check from different views to see if the circle is as wide as the base. Now use the Extrude tool in the Create section to thicken the new circle. Use the setting box to change its direction in symmetric. Make the distance 0.75 mm and be sure the operation is set to new body. Select the Circular Pattern tool found in the Create section to repeat the small disc. Select Pattern Bodies as the pattern type, and make sure that the disc is set to Object, while the axis is the green vertical one. Also, set the quantity to 24. Step 3. Creation of the second horizontal layer. Use the Line tool to draw a new sketch on the front plane. Hide some of our circles by using the light bulbs on the left menu. We want to have a clear view of the first small circle we drew. Now draw a horizontal line that cuts the circle into two parts. Use Smart Dimension to set the distance from the top edge of the base to 4 mm. Draw a second horizontal line, setting it at 1.5 mm from the previous one. Draw another circle with the same dimensions as we started. Use the Trim tool in the Sketch section of the top menu to remove any unnecessary lines, leaving only the rectangle with curved sides created by the lines and the circle profile. Use the Selection filter to select the sketch elements only, deleting the purple lines. Once you've cleaned things up, select the closed space defined by your lines. Use the Revolve tool in the Create section with a revolution of 360 degrees around the vertical green axis. Now make sure the operation is set to new body, bringing back all the other bodies from the left menu. Step 4. Creation of the last layer. Find the Mirror tool in the Create section of the top menu to build the last layer. Use the Settings box and choose Pattern Bodies as the pattern type, Objects for the last disc we created, and Mirror Plane in the top plane. Check the preview from different views and then select OK. Now use the Combine tool in the Modify section. Set the first elements of our project as target body, tool bodies for all other bodies we've created after, and choose Join to create a single body. Step 5. Export your STL file. Now we can save our project in Autodesk's cloud. Click File and select Save As or choose the Save icon, naming the file Layer Bangle. You'll notice the updated file name will appear above the left menu. Right-click on our new name to open a second menu. Select Save as STL to export the file for printing. Make sure Highest Refinement is selected. Congratulations! Now you can 3D print your bangle. Check out KiraKira.com to get inspired by other cool classes, and don't forget to share your creations with our creative community.